Predicting shelf life in chocolate fillings has usually meant broad rules, experience, and expensive testing. Predictor approaches it differently. By combining measured recipe data, ingredient recognition, water activity modeling, and cautious evidence-based guidance, the system starts by reading the recipe like a chocolatier would. Cream, chocolate, sugars, water-binding ingredients, fruit, alcohol, fats, and preservatives are treated differently. The prediction is then checked against trained models and confidence rules before any guidance is shown. Several modeling approaches were tested, including extra trees and gradient-boosted models. The final predictor uses the model that performed best on the measured recipe data, while the others remain useful as comparison and audit tools. The user begins with a simple recipe entry screen, no technical setup, no spreadsheet work. As ingredients are entered, the program recognizes their role in the formula. Cream and fruit tend to raise water activity. Chocolate, sugars, and humectants tend to lower it. The result is not just a single optimistic number. It shows the predicted water activity, a cautious worst-case value, and a confidence level. The shelf life guidance is deliberately worded as a practical recommendation, with the broader reference band shown separately. The program also explains what is driving the result. This is useful at the bench. A chocolatier can see which ingredients are shortening life and which are helping preserve the filling. The Explore window lets the user test recipe changes before making a batch. Each change recalculates the whole formula. First, reducing cream lowers the predicted water activity because cream is water-rich. The guidance stays stable, but the direction is clear. Then adding invert sugar lowers the water activity further, but confidence drops to medium. That is deliberate. The program shows both the improvement and the weaker evidence. For users who want to understand the result, the explanation shows the recipe family, similarity to measured recipes, confidence reasons, and technical record. The detail is there, but it is kept away from the main screen. The result can also be saved as a clean guidance card: recipe, recommendation, basis for guidance, confidence, and testing advice. It is suitable for internal records, recipe development, and deciding when measured AW testing is needed. The Shelf Life Predictor is not a replacement for formal testing. It is a formulation risk advisor, helping chocolatiers make better decisions earlier, refine recipes faster, and understand the evidence behind every prediction.